Okay. Just go right in front of me, okay? It's okay. Whew. Chinaman's hat. Wow. So pretty. Here we go. There we go. Yay! Here we go. Not very quickly. I think I'm bottoming out. Just like pushing on the ground. Go a little bit better water. There we go. Okay, let's get this squared away. There we go. Well, I'm definitely not winning the race. Oh my goodness. How beautiful is this? Wow. Ooh. Little bitty baby waves. Oh. Big wave. Oh boy. Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, made it. Made it. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Do we start going towards the island at some point, or we just keep going that way? Woo.
Your kayak just has them because they're good in the ocean. It doesn't weigh way faster.
I'm gonna trust my kayak based on your recommendation. I think if we like start heading straight towards like that rock over there, it'll push us over. Negatory, we're supposed to land on the far right side. All right, we're gonna start moving. Here we go. Trusting my kayak. Woo! Yee! We need a rowing song, probably. We need a rowing song. Yo-ho. Getting a little sprinkling of rain. We're gonna carry on. Oh, oh. That one turned me about. I have his phone, but I'm taking pictures continuously at all times. Okay, just go right in front of me, okay? It's okay. Left, left. Perhaps we need to go over kayaking etiquette. I don't know. Woo! Oh, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. Excuse me. Okay. Here we go. Oh my gosh, look at that. So pretty. Ooh, there's a good one. It's a good one. I'm on your right. I'm on your right.
Well, we're supposed to go straight past this. We're going. We're going. Doesn't think that's a good idea.
Did I tell you I'm on your right? If you guys stay right there, you'll break all my waves. Oh. Logan's bringing up the rear. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Now, readjust. Let them go a little further ahead. The waves are getting choppy. Whew. Whew. Oh! Here's a good one. Turn. Yeah. Oh, and another one. Yee. This is going to be my how to kayak responsibly video. Yeah. It does appear the island is getting larger. They're breaking away, taking a commanding lead. Oh my goodness. How did they get so far ahead? They must have both started rowing. Chinaman's act. There we go. I'm so wet. Whoa. Yeah, that's a good one. Love it. I see 0 sharks so far, which seems good to me. Oh, that kind of turned me. Oh, big wave coming. How did you get so far ahead? Whoa, that was a big wave. It's okay. Oh my. Oh, whoa, turn me around. Oh, my goodness. I kind of like this open kayak though. Makes me feel more comfortable. You know, one time I kayaked previously, you had to get your feet jammed in there underneath, and I don't like that because I feel claustrophobic. And I don't like that at all. This is more better, as they say. I do have a granola bar in my backpack behind me, just in case. We are definitely getting closer. Patriots, not far away. It's supposed to land on the right-hand side. It does appear to be getting closer, kind of. But I am not moving at a rapid pace. Oh, and that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Yeah. Woo! This is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, yeah. Can't take me down, waves. Okay, I'm gonna lean into this one. This one's pretty good. Yeah. Woo. At this point, I can only conclude that I am a semi-seasoned kayaking professional. Yeah, I got wet on that one. Oh, I need some inspirational music. That's what I need. Maybe some Eye of the Tiger. It's the Eye of the Tiger. It's the thrill of the fight. Rising up to the challenge of our rivals. Yeah. Oh, that was unkind. It was an unkind splash. Some of that got in my mouth. I am not appreciative of that at all. Breathing heavily. It is, wow. This Chinaman's hat is getting quite large in our view. Seems. I think that I am definitely going to win. Whoa. I'm almost, yeah, I'm gonna have to kind of turn and row with it. I don't think I want to get too close over there. I think I want to get pushed. I don't want to get stuck. I'm gonna kind of slow down here and let it push me that way with the current. Oh yeah, there's some big waves over there. That's not my jammy jam. I'm totally gonna win. Oh, what a view. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. I love it so much. Yeah, see, my plan is working to perfection. And look at this. Oh man, what a view. Woo. It looks like a pretty gnarly hike to the top of that. We'll see what happens. Ooh, I'm getting pushed in here. I think this is where I go. Is this it? I am the winner. Okay. Okay. Let's pull this guy up. Whoo! Where are you going? Where are they going? Hey! Hey! They can see us. They're just ignoring us on purpose. Huh.
I had my whistle. You have one in your right pocket. I was whistling at you to try to get you to pivot. You didn't hear anything.
Really?
I'm ready to go back there.
Why?
What?
You don't want to hike all the way to the top?
No.
That looks like kind of a rough hike.
Yeah, I don't feel like doing that. I'm ready to go back. That was fun.
I need a little breather, man. I'm gonna sit here for a minute. I don't know why they went over there. Oh. So this is somewhat treacherous, but we'll be kind of careful. Oh, maybe I should have put my sockies on. That would have worked better. Ooh. Oh. Woo! I'm the king of the world. Ish. Where does this go? Where are you guys going?
Where are you guys?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
No, not that. No.
I don't know. I don't often pose. Ooh, scratch my leg. It is way too slick on my shoes to walk anywhere. Okay, well, pause.